HDFC mutual fund has introduced two new mutual fund in same category, that is HDFC 100 index fund and HDFC 100 equal weightage index fund. New fund offer start from today 11th February 2002 and ends on 18th February 2022 and allotment date is 23rd February 2022. During this offer period you can buy an unit 10 rupees. Minimum SIP is 500 and minimum one time first investment is 5000 and thereafter you can invest 1000 rupees multiple of 1 from second time, and there is no entry load and exit load as this is a passive index fund. We have seen many example of passive investment fund in our previous video. So there is no entry load and exit load and expense ratio is too low comparing to other mutual fund as this is a passive index fund and fund manager intervention is less. And tax is applicable on your earnings. If you are withdrawing this fund completely within 1 year, 15% of tax is applicable. And if you are exit from this fund after 1 year, long time capital gain is applicable at 10% if your earnings exit more than 1 lakh. And what is the difference between these two index fund, that is NIFTY100 index fund and NIFTY100 equal weightage index fund? So the only difference is in NIFTY100 index fund the weightage are different based on the company's market cap. So the investment to top 100 companies weightages will be vary. Whereas in NIFTY100 equal weightage index fund the weightages will be the same for 100 companies. Both index fund NIFTY100 and NIFTY100 equal weightage companies will be the same in both index fund, but the difference is allocation of weightages. So if you look at that, some example of weightages allocation on the top companies is in Reliance Industries in NIFTY100 index fund weightage is 9.2%, whereas in NIFTY100 equal weightage index is 1%. So this 1% is applicable to all 100 companies. But in NIFTY100 index fund weightage will be differ. Same way in Infosys in NIFTY100 index fund is 7.9%, but in NIFTY100 equal weightage is same weightage 1%. And HDFC Bank NIFTY100 weightage is 7.3% and NIFTY100 equal weightage is 1%. In ICICI Bank weightage is 5.8%, whereas in NIFTY100 equal weightage index fund weightages is 1%. So the NIFTY100 equal weightages allocation is same to all the 100 companies, that is 1%. So let's concentrate only on NIFTY100 index fund weightages. And in HDFC Bank allocation is 5.3% and Tata Consultancy Service is 4.4% and Kotak Mahindra Bank is 3% and in L&T 2.6%, in Hindustan Unilever 2.4% and ITC 2.1%. So we have seen top 10 stocks weightages allocation, and now let's see bottom 10 stocks weightage allocation. From the bottom is Muthoot Finance 0.18% in NIFTY100 index fund, but in NIFTY100 equal weightage index fund weightage allocation is 0.99%. So the same way allocation will be differ in NIFTY100 index fund. If you look at that, sum is 1.6%, whereas in NIFTY100 equal weightage index is 10. So if you look at that, bottom 10 stock weightage allocation is 10%. The same way top 10 stock allocation is 10%. So NIFTY100 equal weightage allocation is same, but in NIFTY100 index fund weightage allocation is different. So that is how this chart is explaining that weightage allocation differences between the NIFTY100 and NIFTY100 equal weightage indexes. Next, let's see sector wise allocation. First, let's see Nifty 100 allocation in sector wise. In financial services, 33.3%, in IT, 16.7%, in consumer goods and services, 13.2%, and oil and gas, 11.2%, metals, 4.4%, automobiles, 4.4%, pharma, 4.1%, construction, 2.9%, cement and cement product, 2.6%, power, 2.5%, telecom, 2%, and other, 2.8%. Next, let's see sector-wise weightage allocation for Nifty 100 equal weightage index fund. In financial services, 23.1%, in IT, 6%, in construction and goods services, 18.1%, and oil and gas, 6.9%, metal, 8.9%, automobile, 7.1%, pharma, 10.2%, construction, 2%, cement and cement product, 5%, power, 3.9%, telecom, 2%, others, 7%. And the top 3 weightages in Nifty 100 index fund is 63% in financial service, IT, and oil and gas. Combine of these 3 sectors. Whereas in Nifty 100 equal weightage index fund, top 3 weightages is 51% in consumption, metal, automobile, pharma, cement, and power. Next, let's look at the returns between Nifty 100 and Nifty 100 equal weightage index fund. So this chart will show the returns from January 2003 to January 2021. So if you look at that, the returns that gives from January 2003 to January 2021, return is 18% for Nifty 100 index fund. But in Nifty 100 equal weightage index, return is 19.2%. That is 1.2% is more than Nifty 100 index fund. Compound annual growth rate for Nifty 100 index fund is in 19 years it has given 18%, whereas in 15 years it has given 12%. In 10 years it has given 16.2%. In 5 years 17%. In 3 years 18%. In 1 year 26.4%. But in Nifty 100 equal weightage index fund, in 19 years 19.2%. In 15 years 12.9%. In 10 years 16.4% of return. And in 5 years 15.2%. In 3 years 17.7%. In 1 year 34%. So the returns between Nifty 100 and Nifty 100 equal weightage will be differ only 1% between these two funds. If you are looking risk-free highest return over the 5 years and 10 years, you can definitely choose these two mutual funds. So you can invest equal amount between these two mutual funds. For example, in Nifty 100 50,000 and Nifty 100 equal weightages 50,000. Whenever you have sufficient amount, you can top up these two mutual funds. Over the years, you will definitely get at least 15% of returns on your investment because you are investing in the top 100 companies in India. You can also analyze from your side. If you are interested, you can continue investing on this mutual fund. Please keep on watching RN Millionaire YouTube channel to get useful video like this. Thank you for watching this video.